Hi, in my previous two lectures, I explained you how to calculate yield to maturity of an annual coupon bonds. However, there are scenarios or situations where the company calls the bonds. That means in between the time period, that is beginning from your purchase of bond to the maturity period, at any time the company may call back or call the bonds. In that case, we will not calculate the yield to maturity because you are not holding the bond till its maturity. So you are holding the bond only till its call. Now that we call as a yield to call. That means suppose if a company issues a 20-year bond in the year 2010, that means 20-year bond is 2010 to 2030. But after 10 years, the company may call back the bond. That is in 2020, the company may call back the bond by paying a different price. So in that scenario, you need to surrender your bonds to the company or give back the bonds to the company and collect the money. So that means instead of waiting for the maturity of a 20 years, you are holding the bond only for the 10 years. So then you need to calculate your yield to call. Now I demonstrate how to calculate yield to call with an example. Using this example, I show you how to calculate yield to call. So your yield to call equals to coupon amount plus call price minus price of the bond upon call price plus price of the bond for 2, that is average, and here we'll take upon n, that is average of a capital gain. So your CPN is coupon amount and CP call price, then PO is price of the bond, that which the current market price. Here coupon is the return or interest amount that you receive, and this part, that is a call price minus price, is a capital gain or a loss. And we are taking, by dividing this by n, we are taking an average of that. So in a given example, in the above example, the face value of the bond is $1,000 and the coupon rate is 8%, that is 0.08. Then callable after 5 years, time to call is 5 years, and call price is $1,050, and the current price or price, that is simply PO, is $1,100. Now using these values, we will calculate the yield to call. So first you need to calculate the coupon amount. So your coupon amount, this equals to face value times coupon rate. So this equals to $1,000 times 0.0880. $80 is your coupon amount. So 80 plus call price is 1050 minus current price is 1100 upon duration to call is 5 years. Then this upon your call price is 1050 plus 1100 upon 2. We are taking the average here, equals to 80 plus, we'll do the calculation, 1050 minus 1100 minus 50 upon 5 years, so that you will get the average per year. So minus 10, negative minus 10 upon 1050 plus 1100, 2150 upon 2. We are taking the average price, so 1075. So this equals to 70 upon 1075, 0.0651 or 6.51%. So your yield to call is 6.51%. Thank you.